Hey guys, it's Ian again. And today, Ian's super science demonstration. The bouncy egg. So, this is something that you may have seen on the internet if you are a huge geek like me and you look at little things you can do at home. So I thought I would demonstrate this for you, okay? So, this is pretty cool, okay? And it's a little safe demonstration. Keyword safe, okay? But what I want to show you is a little chemical reaction that can happen at home. And it's kind of a cool chemical reaction, okay? And what it is there's going to be a little chemical reaction between calcium carbonate, okay, and an acid, all right? So this is something I just did at home, and I'm going to show you kind of a neat little trick. So here's what you need, okay? Number one, you need some vinegar, just regular white vinegar, okay? The stuff you put on your French fries, makes salt and vinegar chips tasty, okay? So vinegar, okay? You need an egg, just a regular old egg, and you need something to put the egg in. So just a glass, okay? So when I was looking online, I did see someone posted that you could do this with a soft drink. So I'm not going to show the name of the soft drink, okay? But a tasty cola beverage, okay? It said online that you could do it with pop. And I'd never done it with pop, so I thought I would give it a try to see if it actually works. All right? So we'll see if it works, okay? First things first, we're going to take our egg and we're going to put it in our cup. Just kind of put it in gently, right? You don't want it to break, okay? And I have a second cup here. I'm going to put a second egg in that one because we're going to try it with the cola beverage, okay? And so you don't see the name of the beverage. I'm going to pour that one in off screen, okay? Just give me 1 second. Okay, perfect. And just fill it up about halfway, okay? Just so the egg is submerged and the tip of the egg may kind of poke out a little bit. That's okay, all right? Don't worry about that. You can kind of push your finger in every couple hours in the morning sort of thing and just kind of spin it around. It'll work okay. All right, in the other glass, we're going to add in our vinegar, okay? And when I did my practice one, I made a big mess. So I put my vinegar into a little measuring cup just because I got in trouble for spilling vinegar everywhere. And people in my home don't like the smell of vinegar. Okay? And same thing, just so the egg is covered. Perfect, okay? So I can kind of tilt it. Oh, I just spilled the vinegar on the table. See? Sometimes these demonstrations don't go as planned. All right? But trust me, the vinegar level is about here, halfway up my cup, okay? And so now we have to wait, and we have to let those sit, okay? And by the magic of my YouTube little video here, miraculously, don't blink, hey guys, it's the next day, and let's check our results. Now, interesting enough, okay, our egg that we submerged in pop, okay, it's just now a brown egg. It's like the worst dyed Easter egg of all time because no one wants a brown Easter egg, but it's still hard, okay? I don't think I'm going to eat it. Maybe it tastes like pop if I fried it. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, but I assure you I'm not going to eat that one. But the reaction that was supposed to happen didn't actually happen with this one. Okay, so I guess kind of an internet myth busted, right? So like I said, I saw that online and it didn't actually work. So that's kind of cool to see a science, kind of like a real experiment, right? You see something online, you give it a try, and almost like the Mythbusters, it doesn't work. All right, but let's check out the one that was soaked in vinegar. Okay, now this is pretty cool. First of all, okay, the egg is much bigger. Okay, so let me show you here side by side. The egg grew. Okay, if I put them down here, you can see how much bigger the one egg is than the other. Okay, and these two eggs were exactly the same size when I put them in. And now, the one that was vinegar is actually much bigger. It absorbed some of that vinegar and it got bigger, which is kind of cool. Okay, and the second thing is, it's soft. Okay, there's no more shell. The shell's gone. The shell dissolved. So you can kind of see, watch this. You can squeeze it. I can push in the ends. I can push in the sides. No shell anymore. Okay, and watch this. Oh, an egg ball, right? No shell, just that membrane. And I now have a bouncy egg. Okay, now I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to go play basketball with this. This membrane isn't super, super, super strong, right? I mean, it's strong enough for me to boop, 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 push it in, to bounce it on the table a little bit. But if I went and like threw it, it will explode, okay? One other thing. Do not eat that egg, okay? Like, it's been soaking in vinegar. Not that vinegar is going to hurt you. It's just vinegar, right? Like, I put it on my French fries. But all that vinegar soaked into that egg, that would be really gross. Not to mention, I left these eggs out on my counter all night, right? So, I wanted to show you the bouncy egg. The egg gets bigger. The shell disappears. And it bounces like a ball. Pretty cool. A little bit of science that can be done in the kitchen. Okay? There you go, gang. Until next time, this has been Ian's Super Science demonstration.